Baking soda is often thought of as a baking ingredient, but it actually has a variety of other uses and potential health benefits. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is an alkaline substance that can help neutralize acidity in the body. Some of the potential health benefits of baking soda include its ability to alleviate heartburn and indigestion, act as a natural deodorant, and even improve exercise performance. Baking soda can also be used as a natural cleaning agent for your home, and it is an affordable and widely available product. In this video, we will discuss some health benefits of baking soda. May help treat heartburn. Heartburn, also known as acid reflux, is a common digestive disorder that occurs when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus. The sensation is often described as a burning feeling in the chest or throat and can be accompanied by other symptoms such as regurgitation, nausea, and difficulty swallowing. Baking soda can help alleviate heartburn symptoms by neutralizing stomach acid. When baking soda is mixed with water, it creates a chemical reaction that produces carbon dioxide, which can help to relieve symptoms of heartburn by encouraging burping and reducing pressure on the leg. To use baking soda for heartburn relief, dissolve 1 teaspoon, 5 grams, of baking soda in a glass of cold water and drink the mixture slowly. May soothe canker sores. Canker sores are small, painful ulcers that can develop on the inside of the mouth, including the gums, tongue, and cheeks. While the exact cause of canker sores is not fully understood, they are thought to be linked to factors such as stress, injury to the mouth, and certain foods or nutritional deficiencies. This is thought to be due to the alkaline nature of baking soda, which can help neutralize acids in the mouth that may be contributing to the pain and inflammation. To make a baking soda mouthwash, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and swish the mixture around in your mouth for several seconds before spitting it out. May improve exercise performance. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a popular supplement among athletes who engage in high-intensity or anaerobic exercises. Research suggests that taking baking soda before exercise may help improve athletic performance by reducing the buildup of lactic acid in the muscles, which can cause fatigue and muscle soreness. This can allow athletes to perform at a higher intensity for longer periods of time. May relieve itchy skin and sunburns. Baking soda can be a soothing and effective remedy for itchy skin caused by bug bites, bee stings, and sunburns. To make a baking soda bath, start by filling your bathtub with lukewarm water. Then, add 1 to 2 cups, 220 to 440 grams, of baking soda to the water and stir well to make sure it dissolves completely. Soak in the bath for 15 to 20 minutes, making sure the affected area is thoroughly submerged in the water. You can also add other ingredients like oatmeal or cornstarch to the bath to enhance its soothing properties. After the bath, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel and avoid rubbing the affected area. May slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. People with chronic kidney disease, CKD, slowly lose their kidney function. Your kidneys are vital because they help remove excess waste and water from your blood while balancing important minerals like potassium, sodium, and calcium. Baking soda supplements improves kidney function and helps slow the progression of CKD. May improve certain cancer treatments. Cancer is the second leading cause of death in the United States. It's often treated with chemotherapy, which is a chemical cocktail that slows or stops the growth of cancer cells, which usually grow and divide at a rapid rate. Some research shows that baking soda may help chemotherapy medicines work more effectively by making the environment for tumors less acidic. However, because the current evidence is limited to animal and test tube studies, human research is needed. If you're undergoing cancer treatment, consult your doctor before complementing your chemotherapy treatment with baking soda.